Hello guys, in this video we are going to fix Google Chrome not responding or not working in Windows 10, 7 or 8 computer. Trust me, after doing the steps, your Chrome will be working absolutely fine. Just make sure you follow all the steps. So the very first thing is we just have to open the Google Chrome, and once it is opened, we just have to click on this three dots and then we need to go to settings. Now here we just need to go to advanced at the left hand side and click on reset and cleanup. The moment you do it, you will find restore settings to their default. Now this will reset the whole settings, but it will not affect any kind of bookmarks, history and saved passwords. So do not worry about it. So just reset the settings and see if it's working. If it's not, you just have to click on this three dots again and then go to more tools, and here we are looking for extensions. Now here make sure there is no any unwanted or any kind of fishy extension. If it's there, just remove it. I have only Adobe Acrobat, which is absolutely fine. I can keep that. So once this is done, even if it's still not working, what you can do is you just have to press Window and R key together on a keyboard and type appwiz.cpl. You can pause the video and note it down, appwiz.cpl. The moment you do it, you just have to hit OK, and it will open up uninstall and change a program. From here, just select the Google Chrome and uninstall. Now please do not worry that all of your favorites and bookmarks will not be wiped out. So you just have to uninstall and reinstall it again by just visiting google.com/Chrome. So the moment you type google.com/Chrome, you just have to download and it should work. All of your favorites bookmarks will be back. So let me know if it has worked for you. Hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.